Are you ready for your big day?
Dude, I'm ready tomorrow.
We got Romika. We got Sabrina. Hey. So we're just making jello shots. Let me just show myself too.
Yeah.
So hey guys, we're just making jello shots for Coach's birthday. It's about to be litty, so it's just a day before and we're just getting everything ready. But if you guys don't know who Koshiv is, he literally was the cameraman behind my 21st birthday party. So I was like, maybe I'll just be nice enough to put him on my channel. Give him a little credit. Mosi, come say hi to the vlog. Say hey. Hello. Oh.
Shout out Edwin, Eddie boy.
Shout out Kylie Works.
Slam boys.
Hey.
Oh, you missed the other one. You missed the baby picture.
Oh, let me see. Bring out the baby picture.
Cute.
Oh, main boy. Whoa, the main one. Oh, birthday boy.
That's fine.
Had in the strawberry. Oh, right here.
Can you get the air away from
The air. So you guys, I told Koshiv I'm hungry. I need food, and he gives me this air. Like it's gonna keep me full or whatever.
Poor Ahana started picking her up.
Pre-party shit.
You already know.
We get the pretty looking ones, okay?
Oh, look, okay. Okay.
Okay.
It's good.
They don't trust you guys no more.
Yeah. We're talking.
Now you do.
Instead of us doing it, we're eating it.
Speak for yourself.
I just want to look like a fat ass.
Huh?
Do you have anything to say? Oh, cough it out, cough it out. Are you ready?
I'm ready for tomorrow.
Okay, you ready for tomorrow? Okay, this is just a pre-party. Oh.
Day 2.
Hey guys, so I'm switching over to voiceover because I really wanted to speed through this makeup process. So I just concealed my eyes using my Urban Decay concealer. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bone using the KKW palette in Classic. Here I'm taking Hoola and defining my crease a little bit more. Next I'm going to take that darker color from the palette, that brownish color, and put that on my crease just to define it more. Now I'm going to be taking more of a precise brush and grabbing that darker color from the palette and putting that on my crease just so it could give more of a darker look. Now I'm taking that peach color and putting it above my crease so everything just looks super blended. I literally just had to add peach last minute because my outfit had peach in it. But anyways, now I'm just putting that lighter color on my lid. Here I picked up a brush and I took that bronze color from the palette and I tried putting on my eyelid, but it literally did not work out. So here I'm using my ring finger so I could get more pigment. So at this point I feel like I was going for a smudged out eye messy look. I really just don't know. But anyways, now I'm just putting mascara on my eyelashes, and here I'm grabbing the KKW X Mario palette and I'm taking that bronze color because I feel like it was just more darker. Now I'm taking the Kylie palette and creating a smudged little baby wing liner. I really like that black eyeshadow because it's like super dark and I really just like how it smudges super easy. Now I'm just taking my concealer and putting concealer on where I need it. And here I am, of course, I got my fluff brush from Luxe. I literally love this brush so much, and I'm just blending out my concealer. Now taking the same brush, I literally packed on my Sacha buttercup because you guys, Indian parties gets hella lit on the dance floor, so I needed that extra bake. And for my lashes, you guys have been asking about my lashes. I really just don't know what it is. One of my friends, she actually gave it to me, so yeah, I really just don't know what it is. Here I'm taking the KKW contour stick and I'm just contouring my nose and my face. I really just don't do this because I feel like it just doesn't make a difference to me. I don't know, but I just wanted to try it out. I usually use it more for my nose. And now I'm just blending that all out. Here I'm just blending it out with my finger because I feel like the product just needed a little bit more warmth because I just wanted to make it look like it just melted on my nose. But anyways, I'm taking my Estee Lauder powder and just putting that all over my face just to balance out my skin tone. Here I'm just using my KKW powder just to bronze up my face. By the way, everything will be linked down below of what I'm using. Here I am just blushing with my KKW Beauty blush. And here I'm putting on my KKW brightening powder. I feel like KKW should just sponsor me by now. And for my eyeliner, I use MAC, and then now I'm just taking the darker color from the palette and just smudging that all out so it looks super seamless. Okay, you guys, don't mind my freaking eyelash because it was giving me such a hard time, but here I'm taking my AMREEZY highlighter and putting that all over my face. And then for my lips, I am using MAC Oak and then Kat Von D liquid lipstick and Bow and Arrow. That's literally like my shit now. And then just to complete my look, I'm putting on a little pink bindi to match my Indian outfit. Hey guys, so I literally just got ready. I know I took like the longest time to get ready, but it feels so good because I'm the first one ready for the first time. So usually in events like these, I'm like the last person to leave the house. I'm always like wearing my eyelashes in the car, or I'm always wearing my jewelry, and this time I was like, I'm not getting rushed today. I'm literally going to take my time and get ready, which I'm so happy I did because now I'm just chilling. I really don't know what's going on because I don't know if my parents are going to the venue to help out, and my brother's still at work, so I'm probably just gonna head out with my brother. But before I leave, I'm going to show you guys my outfit. Like, these bangles are so pretty, right? It's about the details. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, so update, I'm just gonna be going with my brother, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. So this is my outfit. It's just super simple suit, just wearing a black long sleeve with this pink thing and pink pants. Go get ready. Made it. We already started off with the drink. Okay. We got Kylie Works here. We got
So ladies and gentlemen, I would like now to welcome the President Boys.
What to do, go
So we got Jason,
the new whip.
we got Edwin, we got Kylie Works. This is what Kylie Works does, and this is what they drag me to. This is my brother. Gosha would be so pissed if he found out we did this. He's gonna find out about this. I'm their ghost shift today, okay?
Leave my dad's truck. He used to. Remember his car there, Jet? Yeah, you can just go through. You want one, Sal?
Dude, hell yeah, I want one.
Hey, you can have it. Hey, I'm pretty dark. Make sure the light on, hold on.
Okay, we got dark boys back here.
Subscribe to our channel.
Oh yeah, so this is
Make sure you guys shout it out.
subscribe to Kylie Works.
Dude, this is all in my dressing room.
I always shout you guys out on my channel.
I don't see it. I watch all your videos.
Okay, I do.
You don't want that one.
Wait, what?
The other car that Hello went by.
Oh
shit!
Okay, I want a roller coaster. Oh my god.
Your car better than you, man. Dude, I never drove it this hard, dude.
This is 25 miles per hour, guys.
We are moving. Be careful.
I literally couldn't see the road. Oh hell, okay. We're not coming back to the party. Oh my god. Wow. Goshen, if you're watching this vlog.
Hey, happy birthday, Goshen.
We all left your party. Oh my god.
Oh,
I'll pay for your next car. I will break it.
It's a risky lifestyle.
Don't break my car. My windows are already broken.
Look at Jason. He's probably like, F my car.
He's like, ah, damn, I'm
He's
thinking
like,
life
damn,
right
I
now.
just got it. He's like, why the F did I even say anything?
Did he even know I got a new car?
Yeah. Cheers for the vlog. Okay.
Then for the snapshot.
Look, I got birthday boy.
Yo, hey.
How do you feel?
Feel good. Feel good. Feel good. About to get lit, you know?
Okay, we got Caliworks. I'm part of Caliworks now. Getting food. Literally just got back home and I got a text message saying open the door. But I don't know what's going on. Wow. So we're gonna do a video on what's in Sahil's trunk. You know, you got the football gear. We got the aqua.
For practice.
We got Gianna's blanket.
Okay.
We got education.
Got a football.
You got a football. You got everything.
Oh wait, and then you know,
It's literally
when the
so
sun
late at
hits?
night. You know, Cali works.
when the sun hits, you know, we gotta.
Oh, dude, I have that too.
Hey.
I have that. Hey, remember that we got it together though?
Oh yeah, the future.
Guys, we went to Sahil's football game, and me and my mom didn't even know what number he was. So the whole time.
One time we went to his game, he switched the numbers. Oh, I'm number 2, and then he's like, I'm number 6 now. Like, what are you talking? This whole time we're cheering for number 2.
Sit. Good boy. Hey guys, so here with Cali Works after party. Can you see? Got Jason. Got Edwin.
Move that from it.
Ivory. Got Sahil. And we don't know if we're going to Gosha's house. Gosha, if you're watching this,
Bro,
we're too old to hang.
Hey,
Clearly.
we're fucking winded right now, dude. Like, we're done.
But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe. What else?
Cali works.
Subscribe to Cali Work. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
So we were going back on the road, right? And they kept saying turn the music up, but I couldn't concentrate on the road. I kept turning it down, and it was hella cold. And I was like, it's hella hot, so I put the window down. And all I can remember is like the lines on Mission. This the road, the lines is going by my face. Next thing you know, I was at home.